Hey guys, today we're gonna do some decluttering. I've had it. I'm at the point where summer's almost over, it's back to school, and there's just stuff everywhere in my house, and I've had enough. So I have a ton of bags here today for Goodwill. Also, if I'm divvying up clothes or whatever, I have these little bags as well. So we're gonna start in my kids' room because there are so many clothes and things that don't fit them anymore, and I am tired of hanging on to this stuff. We just gotta get it out. So I already start grabbing coats and stuff, things that don't fit the kids anymore, snowsuits, stuff like that. So I am gonna be getting all of this out. I have listed them on Marketplace and such. Nobody needs it, so it's gonna go to the Goodwill. So we'll get this out of here, and then coats and stuff. Winter coats. I don't have a ton of closet space, so I'm going to put all the extra coats up in the attic for the winter. I have a nice rod that I can hang things up there, so that's what we're gonna do because they've just been draped over this chair. So I'd already started a pile of clothes over here for my son, things that I'm gonna pack up and give to the Goodwill. And then we've been hanging on to Halloween costumes. So these we've had forever. It's time to give them to the Goodwill. I'm going to bag them up. Then I also have to check the sizes on this. I think this one still fits him, so we'll hang on to it. And then the Ninja Turtle as well. I hate to just waste things. I don't mean waste, but I would like them to go to a home where someone could use them or someone's kid needs a costume. But I find that I can't just like offload my stuff on people all the time. Like, they don't want it. And Halloween costumes are like a perfect example of something that you buy and they maybe wear it once and then it's like, now what? So let's get this going and get this stuff out of here. But my challenge today is to get everything packed up in the garage, ready to go. I don't want this crap just laying around the house. So I'm gonna quickly go through the clothes and we're gonna see if we can get any quick wins. Like I said before, I've been going through them periodically, pulling stuff aside that doesn't fit, just to make it easier, and then you just stack a pile. These two may be questionable. Maybe we'll try to get one wear out of them when school starts, and then I'm thinking that these are gonna be tight. Too small. Bunch of hoodies that don't fit. We're gonna put them over here because I have a pile of other clothes and I need to separate them out a little bit before I get rid of them. That freed up a little bit of room. Just got him a couple things, nothing crazy to start off the season. So let's quickly put those away. He doesn't have like a sports drawer for his stuff, so I've just been shoving everything in here. And honestly, he kind of needs one, so that's what we're gonna do, but these can go. Let's start this side. tons of shirts in here. I'm sure there's stuff that has to go. To make things easier on myself, I think I'm gonna sort this by size. So we'll do like 5 on one side and 6 on the other side. So then I know like I can grab it and we'll see what he's growing out of. On this side. All right, that looks good. And I like doing this before back to school because it really gives you a picture, especially for like the winter, as to how much the kids are actually gonna need. I hate buying things and then they never get worn because I bought too much and we didn't need it. So I like to go through everything prior to shopping, so then you're only getting what you actually need. Like I bought way too many jeans last year, and as you can see, there's tags on this stuff and he hasn't even worn it. I don't know what happened, but some of these are 6s, so they are the next size up. So I'm gonna put those on one side, then everything else will go on another. So we'll do that on one side, and then we'll do the bigger stuff on the other. And these are more like joggers, so I think I'm actually gonna put these up with the sweatpants. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move this stuff here, so we'll do like sweatpants, one row, and then we'll do the more relaxed joggers. And then hopefully he can get some use out of these. Even if it's like for the first month of school. So that's done. You know what? Forget everything I said about having this extra drawer for like sports, because I totally forgot in the closet, like in this little area, I keep a bin with all of shorts and bathing suits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the sports stuff in there because like those are where all like the extra shoes and stuff are. That just makes more sense. And then we're gonna put shorts and bathing suits in here. And then we'll do shorts. See what he has. That's another thing. It's like when stuff gets tucked away in a drawer, you don't know what they have. And then you're buying too much. You're finding things a year later with tags on it and you've wasted your money because now they've outgrown it and they can't even use it. I actually didn't buy any bathing suits this summer because last summer when things went on sale, I stocked up. So I was good to go. Put them in the back since the summer is like almost over. All right, we're cruising. I'm gonna go through all of these bins now. And there's just like some random stuff, like baby stuff. Like, I know my son's gonna wanna keep this, so we're just gonna put this aside, but I have like a bin of like all little funky Christmas stuff. So we are gonna keep it because I know he likes it, but there's some garbage in here. So like, we don't need this stuff. Stuff like that can go. I bought way too many hangers. I don't know why I thought we would need this many, but I was thinking about maybe doing like an IKEA type closet in here because it is a smaller closet and I'm really trying to get the most out of the space. But we will see. He loves all these little necklaces and things for the different holidays. So we are going to add this all into one bin here, and then just have little dividers. I have no idea what this is, so it's garbage. And then we'll put the hangers back in here. That's gonna go like way up top, so that's fine. Then in this lower bin, we just have sneakers. I have a bunch of sheets and stuff. I don't know if these were like crib sheets or what they are, so let's go through it. We got like pillowcases. So this is stuff that he will need. We did just get him a nice bunk bed. So he's been using regular size sheets now, which is good to keep. But this is from his changing table and it's in really good condition. I'll try to like wash it and then it'll go to the Goodwill. But same with this, like this is from when he was a baby. So we don't need that. And then we just have some blankets that I'm actually gonna put over in the other bin. So this is good. We don't need to be keeping crib sheets anymore, right? Those days are over. So let's be done with that. This boy loves his hats. So we're just gonna go through. I don't think that this fits him anymore, so we're gonna give this to Goodwill. This is for like a baby, right? There's no way this is gonna fit on his head. That's going. The fire hat, it is so cute, but this doesn't fit him anymore. This doesn't fit him anymore either. This just has like random stuff in it. Headphone case for headphones that he doesn't even use, or maybe he does use them, they're downstairs somewhere. So I think we're gonna keep that for now, and then maybe I will add all of his little keychains in here for now, since he hasn't been actively playing with them. We're just cluttering everything up. And then these are just extra school supplies, so we're gonna put that in here too. Just kind of clear some space up. All right, we got the last bin. This has like baby monitors and stuff, and so I think this is gonna go in the attic in the keepsake bin. But like the Angel Care, I don't need this, so I might be able to sell this, I'm thinking. And then the Owlette, which I loved. We don't need this. This can also be listed on like Mercari or Poshmark. We'll see. This is garbage. This was like a fetal monitor. I don't need this. Oh look, I found his old crib directions. Like we're saving everything.
So the video and the audio didn't record, but I did end up organizing things by size. So we did the 5s and then the 6s. I think this will be a little bit easier so I can make sure that he's like wearing stuff that's 5, and then the bigger stuff I put in the back.
All right, I think the last thing I'm gonna try to tackle today in his room are the books here. So any baby books, and then also, this is just like back to school stuff. Some stuffed animals, I think, right? Like he's not using all these.
So I got a good size pile here that we're gonna donate.
All right, we did it all. We did clothes, we organized the closet, we got out all the baby items, all the crap I don't need. What else? We did stuffed animals, we did books. So now I'm gonna head to the Goodwill. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.